Yes, good morning po. Good morning po sa lahat. Gusto ko lang pong mag-share testimony regarding dito sa aking paggamit ng iTera. Okay. Ano po pala, ako po isang dialysis patient. Ito po, itong aking pistola. Base po sa aking karanasan lang sa paggamit ko ng iTera, siya po ay nakakatulong ma-improve yung flow, blood flow, gumaganda ang circulation ng dugo, at saka ang masasakit sa katawan. Alam po ang lahat ng mga nagda-dialysis patient, marami na pong nararamdaman na masasakit sa katawan, sa balakang, sa head, shoulder, back pain. Ayan po. Kasama po yan sa journey ng bilang nagda-dialysis. Ngunit ang karanasan ko po, na experience ko sa paggamit ng iTera, ay nababawasan po lahat yung napakabilis pong malanasan ng gaya po ng shoulder pain or back pain. Mabilis po siya nawawala at malaking ginhawa po sa katawan. At isa pa po, ang journey ko ngayon sa aking dialysis ay dati po ay 2 times ako at ang aking bata ay nasa 2.5. At continuous pa rin ang pag-inom ko ng gamot. Balit nung paggamit ko ng mga ilang buwan sa Tera, actually hindi naman po regular yung paggamit ko ng Tera. Meron din naman pong hindi siya frequently. Meron every other day po doon ako nag-blow ang paggamit ng iTera. Pero ang malaki po ang nakakatulong siya sa aking journey. Unang-una po, pag may mga masasakit sa aking katawan, nawawalan, nababawasan po siya. Ikalawa, napansin ko po itong aking up 2 months. Yung pag-inom ko po ng gamot, na synthetic na gamot, ay nabawasan ako dahil tinatry ko rin po, pinag-aaralan ko kung anong magiging epekto sa akin sa paggamit ko ng iTera. Sa paggamit ko ng iTera, yung inom ko ng synthetic na gamot ay binawasan ko na po. Pero ganun pa rin po ang nagiging normal na ang aking blood pressure. Isa pa po, yung dating batak ko na ang 2.5, ngayon pinababatak na lang po sa akin ay minimum 500 to 1,000. Ayan po sa kondisyon ng aking katawan. Dahil po ang aking katawan ngayon, ang intake ko ng fluid ay normal na po. At ang pang-dispose po ng tubig, nakakahihi na ako. Dire-diretso na. Kaya po, ang sabi ng doktor sa akin, ay wala nang dahilan para batakan ako ng mas malaki. Kumbaga ay yung dugo ko na lamang ang pinipilter na lang sa tuwing ako nagda-dialysis. So ang aking dialysis ay frequently 2 times a week na lang po. Kaya under observation pa rin po ako na itong paggamit ko ng iTera, tuloy-tuloy lang po. At hopefully, medyo maganda-ganda po ang nagiging resulta sa akin. At dati po, di po ganito ang katawan ko. No? Ito po ang aking pistola. Parang nga po sabi nila, di ako nagda-dialysis eh. Ayun po. Ito po ang aking munting karanasan sa paggamit ng iTera. Isa pa nga po, ang aking misis pag masakit ang katawan niya, balakang niya, balikat, ayun lang po, gagamitan ko siya ng iTera within 30 minutes. Ang bilis po ng epekto sa katawan niya. Sa aking biyanan, ganoon din po. Basta may mga masasakit po sa katawan ngayon sa pamilya namin. Ayun po yung ginagamit namin ngayon, yung iTera. Okay po. Okay po. Hopefully po, itong video na to at makatulong po sa inyo. At sinare ko lang po ang aking karanasan sa paggamit ng iTera. Salamat po.
And first of all, the winning, the best winning is every day that we wake up. So okay, that's the best win in our life. Okay, and then second things, okay, our family and and especially the opportunity to give hope to other people. Okay, and for the last couple of days, we've met so many so many clients or so many people that requires help. Then we have given them some hope, and hopefully, this coming week there will be our partners. Okay, and then and the other one was that client that I've been doing like a weekly therapy is having a what you call this Parkinson's disease, and within 3 sessions he improves a lot. Then I will share it also to Ambassador the video of that one. And the best part of winning is okay. This is the why that we are always people are asking what is your why, big why, and this is the one of the why that I'm doing this thing, this business with you guys, this Mentors League Academy, and also the power of our product. My very own brother. Okay, this is the video that I sent to Ambasara. This is
Yes,
there's one reason why I took this device because of them as well. Because he's having a CKD, chronic kidney disease. Okay, and only our hope, and only I'm praying that we will have something to improve his health. Okay, so since April he's using the product. Okay, actually I ordered the product, but they are the first one who received the product before me. Okay, because they are in Philippines, I'm in Dubai, so it takes time for me to get the product. But I told him to use the product, and from April, May, June, July, August. Okay, since April, he is undergoing a dialysis twice a week. He have a limit of water fluid intake for only 1.5 liter, 1 liter to 1.5 liter, because he cannot urine properly. And he's having a what you call that one in the term of the medical term, let's say batak. They call it when you are doing dialysis, they call it batak, or this 2,500 ml of blood that they have to filter it. So he started with 2,500, and then from April, May, June, July, August, now 4 months. Hopefully this week he will be only for 500 ml for this one. Okay? So amazing. And also he reduced the medications. He can urine properly now, so he can increase the water fluid intake. Okay? As a dialysis patient, you will have a lot of pains, back pain, all the pains. Then after the dialysis, you don't have energy, you will lose your weight. But the video that I sent to Ambassador is it doesn't seems like he's having dialysis. He's more bigger than me. So that is the best win that we have as of now. And we're thankful, thankful for those who share, especially to Coach Vincent for, coming into our life, and also God that he made some ways, unexpected things that came to us. Strangers came to our life, and it changed the life of my brother and also our life. So this is the winnings that we had, and also for us, we are strangers to other people, but we are giving them hope. And hopefully, and we will do this mission to change, and to give hope to other people. So for me, that's my sharing for today. So I'm very
Goosebumps.
thankful for all of you guys and also the team. Yeah, thank you.
Imagine a device harmonizing nature and tech for total wellness. A wonder product from Prife International, the iTerracare. This revolutionary device is not just a gadget, but a holistic health companion. Harnessing the power of terahertz frequency, quantum, and optical quartz crystal technologies, it enhances energy, reduces stress, and improves overall well-being. The iTerracare device uses targeted frequencies that penetrate up to 20 to 30 centimeters, reaching bone marrow, improve blood circulation, and strengthen body immunity. Get yours now for a healthier, more beautiful you.
Welcome to the future of wellness, where the iTerracare device brings together 3 groundbreaking technologies for optimal health. First, we have the terahertz frequency. This extraordinary tech resonates with our cells. It breathes life into healthy and dormant cells, while eliminating unhealthy cells. Next, the quantum technology. Imagine a source of energy that not only energizes our cells, but also balances our bodily systems. It strengthens the body, produces healing energy, and reaches deeper into our vital organs. Finally, the optical quartz crystal. It doesn't just amplify the energy generated by the iTerracare device, it supercharges it. Simulating 1/40th of the sun's energy, it bolsters auric fields in the body. With iTerracare, you're not just getting a device, you're investing in a healthier future, putting the power of wellness in your hands.